What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, Miss Miracle and I will be going to Sam's house to meet up with him, and then we're going to go to Legacy Harley-Davidson in Midland, Texas. And there was supposed to be a Pan Am launch, but the bikes never came in. Yeah, it's rough down here in West Texas. It's hard to get the bikes. It's hard to get a lot of stuff down here. But instead, they decided to do a spring opening. Spring bike opening, stuff like that. So there should be some music, maybe there'll be some food. So let's go check it out, right? Let's go to the intro and let's go check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life, and I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. We're on our way to Sam's house. Like I said, I say it all the time in all my videos, it is so windy, and then lately the wind's been going in a different direction, so I literally can't even hear anything when I'm on the highway, which we're about to go in right now. Anyways, I'm gonna cut it off from right here, and I will see you at Sam's house. All right.
Minutes later.
All right, off the highway. There's a lot of bikes out right now, so maybe they're all gonna go to Legacy right now for the spring opening. We'll see right now. I'm gonna pick up my buddy. I think he's actually out. He's down the street right now. Oh yeah, he's got the 2021 Street Glide Special with that snake venom. Oh baby, gorgeous. All right, is that? Yep. There's Sam and his old lady. Yes, sir. I saw there's a lot of bikers that were heading towards Legacy, it looked like.
Yeah, I've been hearing them.
Yeah. There's Adrian, and there's Sam. And there's Miss Miracle. What's up, girl? Wanna say hi? Hi. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
That's it. Do you want to say anything to the audience? What's up, girl?
I don't know.
No? Are you excited for this or not really?
Yeah, kind of.
There'll be a lot of, it looks like there's a lot of bikes out, but I don't know, maybe we'll go, today's gonna be a good day, go for there, go for a ride, go to the vape shop, and then we'll go to Tall City maybe, I don't know, we'll see. We can get on the back. I think everyone will hear that. I get off the bike like an old man. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. No, like we're like an 85-year-old. All right, let's go to Legacy. So it's gonna be all highway. So I'm gonna turn off the GoPro now. But when we get there, we'll put the GoPro back on. And same with you. I'll just turn off the Bluetooth. All right. All right. Peace. All right.
5 minutes later.
All right, we're at Legacy. Man, there's there's a good amount of bikes. Oh, wrong way, Sam. Wrong way. All right, but we're at Legacy. All right, let's go walk around a little. Yeah, this is a decent amount of bikes. Got that. All the road glides over here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I like that color. And obviously there's this one right here. Snake venom. It's my baby right here. Gotta get these bikes. Road glide galore over here. It's a gorgeous bike. More road glides. Strikes. Gorgeous, gorgeous over here. It's a gorgeous day. Man, I need those bars over those black bars on the street glide over there. The slingshot. That is cool. Oh, with the purple too. Looks good. All the bikes over here. Let's go find this Miracle. Alright, so we're gonna leave Legacy right now, and then we're gonna go to the vape shop, and then we'll go to Tall City Brewing Company for some food. Does that sound good or no? Right?
Pippity poppy, give me the sobbing.
Yes, sir. Remember that.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go on the highway. Like always, not gonna hear anything. It's the wind. It's just the wind here. The wind here is crazy. We were there for a little. Now we're going to the vape shop, and then we'll go to Tall City Brewing Company, and we'll have some food, some good food. All right, see y'all in a minute.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, now we're going to the vape shop. Gonna run in style. Oh, it's hot. Alright, time to go to Tall City Brewing Company. Have some food, get some beer. Alright, you can come on. Alright. Ooh, man. You did not see him. Sammy Sam. Look for traffic, bro. Alright, so we're gonna go to the Tall City Brewing Company. And so basically we just went to Cloud City Vape Shop. Yeah, it's an amazing shop. Like, they're very friendly. They literally, you want to vape for the first time, they know, they have everything, they know everything. And yeah, they got every flavor you can think of, any type of vape you want. So yeah, if you're in the Midland area, and I highly recommend come over there. And if you have motorcycles, you can park it over there like we did. But now we're gonna go to Tall City Brewing Company, another staple for the Tall City, which is not really that tall. But here we are, we're at Tall City Brewing Company. 2 food trucks, maybe 1. Usually there's 2. Right now it looks like there's 1. But all right, where is the parking? All right, Tall City Brewing Company. Hey, handsome. Handsome. Welcome to Tall City Brewing Company. Alright, can I get a wakey?
Wakey? Sounds good. You want fries with it?
Yes, please. What'd you get?
I just got a classic cheese.
I got a wakey.
So I got an egg on it.
It's got an egg, bacon, it's got hash brown.
I almost got that fried peanut butter and jelly sandwich, bro.
Right.
Have you ever had one of those?
Yeah, those are good. You have to make it, has to be made it the right way.
You can't over fry it.
Yeah.
Like to where you make the peanut butter and shed hard.
Yeah.
That's how I always feel.
Ooh, man, she's gorgeous. What's up, Miss Miracle? Alright, y'all. Ooh, they got the Indian. Ooh, man, that's an. See, I like the Road Glide better than. Yeah, we're good. I like the Road Glide better than the Indian. and we're out of here. All right, y'all. So that was a little day with a day in the life of MotoMiracle. Nothing special, you know. Not much to do around here. You gotta go, you know, out of town real far to get some nice twisties, like an hour, 2 hours away. But that's okay. It's nice. I love driving around local here though, because driving around town, outside of town, it's like all highways and it's all 80 miles an hour. It sucks. But around town, it's nice. You know, going to breweries, going to plus light, stuff like that. You know, hear that exhaust? Blam blam blam. Bling bling bling. I know that I don't know if that video was really anything good. You know, we'll see when I get home. But yeah, I just, you know, I want to try to do new things, you know, like all the other motovloggers do, you know, when they do all the other motovloggers, you know, that have like going to food places or whatever. It just also is like when I go to like to eat beer, drinking, food, whatever it is, like I like spending time with my friends, family, you know. Like I don't want to be I know you're supposed to be, you know, editing, and you're supposed to be like, you know, always be in a motovlogging mood, always be doing your video stuff, you know how it is. But sometimes it's nice to just kind of relax, because like I said, I see my buddy like once a week, you know. So that one day it's like, do I want to really edit a, like, you know, motovlog, or do I want to just kind of ride and hang out with my buds, my buddy buds? Like I usually motovlog like during the week, during the day, you know, in the mornings when, you know, when I'm not riding with anyone really, because like I can think about myself, I can think to myself, I can kind of get things done. Alright, so Sam's gonna go straight, we're gonna go right to go home. So anyways, this is me in the video. So if you like this video, then please press that like button. If you want to show some love to this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. So next time, y'all ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, it's Miss Miracle, it's Sam, and it's Adrian, and we're out of here.